All right, welcome in. I'm having some powdered toast for dinner. For breakfast. Late breakfast is pretty good though. And I was sitting at my desk looking at my beautiful plants, and I saw something happening with my big banana plant, my ice cream banana. And this is also happening with Jacques, as I call him, my biggest dwarf Cavendish banana. They're sweating. They're perspiring through their leaves. So I naturally Googled, can plants sweat? And the answer is I actually yes. So I was mine was pretty blown by that. And I'm going to include a video at the end of this, going to the editor, glue it on or whatever to the end of this. And but yeah, plants literally can sweat. Okay, plants sweat through two main processes called transpiration and glutation or guttation. Sorry. Transpiration is the release of water vapor from tiny pores in the leaves, which helps cool the plant and contributes to water cycle. Guttation is the visible dripping of excess waters and minerals from the tips of the leaves, which occurs when the plant takes up more water than it can release through transpiration. So both are happening for my banana plant. Maybe I overwatered it, but they really love water. Okay, let's read more about transpiration and guttation. What it is, my dog really wants some of my powdered toast. He can't eat this. It's like powdered sugar and bread. I don't think he needs it. What it is, the process where plants release water vapor to the atmosphere through pores called stomata. Why it happens? It's the primary way plants lose water they've absorbed through their roots. Function. This is the plant's main method of cooling itself and is a key part of the photosynthesis. Plants are so smart. They're just like us. What you see. Yeah, I was today years old when I found out plants can sweat. It's pretty crazy. What you see is not typically visible because water vapor isn't invisible. Oh, it's visible. Water is dripping from okay, so I'm seeing guttation. What it is. The release of water droplets from plant leaves. Why it happens. It occurs my dog is whining. It occurs when a plant absorbs more water than it can release through transpiration, often at night or on humid days with no airflow. It's a way for the plant to release excess water and minerals under certain conditions. What you see. You may see visible droplets of liquid often at the edges or tips of the leaves. All right, guys. The next thing you'll see, I'm about to splice it in right now, is the process actually happening. Water vapor, or not, excuse me, not water vapor. Water droplets dripping from my plant leaves, my bananas. It's pretty crazy. Anyway, see you. Alrighty, people. You ready to see some transpiration and guttation? There you go. You can see it right here. The water dripping off the leaves. The banana is absorbing water through its roots, of course, and it comes out of the leaves in a process called guttation. You see a little droplet. We might catch it fall. It's gonna take a while. It looks like it's gonna drop though. We'll just make it drop. There you go. And there's more over here. And these are not from this because it wouldn't be able to reach that far. It's doing that process as well. All right, so guys, there you go. It's really interesting. I never noticed my plants sweating before, but it's really cool that they do something just like us. But I mean, I guess it makes sense. You know, plants have veins, or if you will, that carry all the water and minerals, nutrients, and I guess it's natural that it could drip out. But yeah, plants are very wet inside, just like us. Anyways, guys, I love you. See you. God bless.